Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient text color in Photoshop. Now you can see, firstly, type from text. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select from text tool option. Now click. Now click from. Now going to the text size. Apply the size. Now press from text. Now keyboard press from enter. Now again keyboard press from Ctrl T and move the text. Now resize the text. Now again keyboard press enter. Now you can see, then going to the color. Now choose the from color. Now okay. Now apply the gradient color. Now going to the text layer option. Now click. Now click from mouse right button option. Now select from blending option. Now we choose from gradient overlay. Now click. Now going to the gradient color. Now select. Now choose from color. Now click for OK. Then again click OK. That it's. Now you can see, add gradient text color in Photoshop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.